Hello. In my previous life, I used to sell thousands of CNC machines, and I sold a number of them into the ACM market. Well, I've been in EngView for about 3.5 years, and I haven't really been thinking about ACM, but we have some pretty super powerful tools that lend themselves well to ACM. So you can kind of see this box I got up on the screen here. Let's just kind of unfold it real quick and fold it back together. This was all made, with custom components, but it's 100% parametric. So I can come in here and I can adjust the length, the width, the height. I can even adjust my flap lengths and these kind of things, and notice all my holes adjust on the fly with them. And you can also nest up all the parts, so you can get a nice nest and ready to cut. Let's just start and do a quick project real quick. I added some different thicknesses here, so I got 3, 4, and 6 millimeter ACM. Let's just go and use some parametric components instead of regular CAD components. I started a little library to make life easy, so I'll drag the single panel in and we'll say okay. And now what we'll do is we'll kind of just start to work our way around the outside. So let's just bring this rectangle in. We'll snap it into place and just work our way around here. All right, so now with our parameters, you can see we can adjust our length and our width. We could rename those. There's our height. So let's say you wanted this to now be like 14 by 10 by maybe 8 inches tall. Now you'll see, boom, our drawing is all scaled. Now, before we create our 3D, let's bevel these sides right here. So we'll grab them, we'll put a bevel cut on them, and we can actually create different degrees of bevel, but we're going to put a 45 bevel on these. So we'll grab right here and say bevel cut. Then we'll come back and let's grab these. Instead of creasing them, we're going to V-cut them. So now we'll grab this and we'll pick V-cut. And now you'll see in our styles, we have if we remove all these unused styles, we've got a nice V-cut there. We've got a bevel cut there, and we got our regular cutting on the outside. And it looks like I missed one, which is nice for troubleshooting. So let's grab that guy real quick here, and we're going to bevel cut that also. Now let's create our 3D. So we'll grab our 3D. We'll generate a 3D. It's just going to fold everything to 90 degrees for us. So you'll see right here. Let's play it into motion. Everything folds up, and you get that nice design. You get nice crisp corners on there. We can actually take a look at it in a solid wire view to see the corner. But the other cool thing is we can come back here, and now we can change the material thickness at any time. Let's take that to 6 millimeter, say okay, come back to our 3D. Now you get a thicker view on it, and if you come back here and do the same thing, everything's going to adjust. EngView Smart with its parametrics. So we're going to drop that into here, and now look at there, you get a nice thinner view. So there'll be a link in here if you want to see a much longer video on how to create these, but EngView for ACM, pretty powerful tool. Thanks for watching.